Yeah, good morning students. In this video, we will discuss on the different types of data that we can communicate during data transmission. We already know that whenever you are transferring any data through WhatsApp or through mail, we can send a different types of data like text, audio, video, and image. Okay, let's see how all these are represented while transmitting the data. So these are all the different types of data representations we can do. One is known as normal text and English text we can send. Next we can send some numbers 0 to 9 and images. Okay, pictures we might have sent in the WhatsApp, all those. Next we can send an audio or you can send a video. So these are all 5 different basic data we can represent. So we will see one by one. So text. So text is represented as a bit pattern. So a sequence of bits, that is 0101 like that. Okay. So the set of bit patterns, like for example, I am sending some capital letter A, then that is represented in binary like 010101. So that representation we call it as a uh, code. That name we have given it as Unicode, okay, which will have 32 bits to represent a symbol or a character. So normally we are representing the English characters in terms of ASCII value. Okay, we call it as American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So these are all the various ASCII values. If you take capital A here, you can see. Okay, so its hexadecimal value is 41 and decimal number we can represent it in terms of 65. This is very important. Like B, it is 66 and capital C, it is 67. Similarly, if you are sending small a, here you can see. So the value is 97 in decimal form and in hexadecimal form it is 61. So here I have represented all the English characters numbers from 0 to 15. F is represented, then it comes to 16 again, 10, 11, 12, 13 like that. So all the characters are also represented. So these are all the way how you can transfer the data using ASCII values. Okay. Next we will say about numbers. So numbers are also represented by a bit pattern, zeros and ones. But here normally we are not using ASCII values to represent numbers. ASCII code is not used to represent numbers. We are using decimal numbers here. So the numbers is converted to a binary digits. So here you can say, for example, 25 if you want to send, if I am using 5-bit pattern, then it is represented as 11001 like that. So even you can send the negative numbers using base 10 or many ways are there that we will see shortly. Okay. Next we have an image. So an image is also represented by a bit pattern, okay, in terms of zeros and ones. So normally an image is composed of a matrix of pixels. We call each bit a pixel, where each pixel is a small dot. The size of the pixel is purely depends upon the resolution. We can say no, the camera 10 megapixel. So as you go on increase the pixel size, then automatically its resolution will also increase. Okay. So after an image is divided into pixels, each pixel is assigned a bit pattern, either 0 or 1, or it may be a 2-bit pattern, 0001 like that. Depends upon the model that we are using. So for an image made of only black and white, we are using only a single bit pattern. That is either it may be a 0 or 1. Here you can see. So this is one bit pattern. Here if it is white color, I have represented using 0. This is also white 0. If you want black color, then it is 111 like that. So it will have only 2 colors, zeros and ones. So a single bit pattern we have used. So if you are going for a color image, so we have two models there. One is known as grayscale mechanism. The other one is RGB model. Grayscale mechanism means we are using 4 levels of colors. That is grayscale. You can use 2-bit patterns 00, 01, 10 and 11. A black pixel can be represented using 00. Wherever there is 00 you can see here. Pure black if you want you can use 00. A dark gray pixel if you want you can use 01 pattern. A light gray pixel can be used 10 and a white pixel is just 11. So these are the 4 bit patterns available in grayscale mechanism. So if you want more colors you can go for RGB model. Each color is made up of a combination of 3 colors. Primary I am talking about. We call it as RGB, red, green and blue. The intensity of each color is measured and a bit pattern is assigned to it. Here you can see one is RGB model. The other one is CMYK model. Okay. So more information we will see about this RGB and CMYK models in the future. Okay. So one we call it as additive. The other one is known as subtractive model. So here normally the last color will be white. You can see here after combination here it will be black. Okay. So the more information about this RGB and CMYK I will tell in the upcoming videos. So next we have audio. So audio refers to the recording or broadcasting of sound or music. So audio is by nature different from text, numbers or images. Yes, that is true. Very important is audio is continuous, not discrete. Okay, the more information about what is continuous, what is discrete, I will upload in the upcoming videos. So continuous means where you can't count it. It is unimaginary, infinite values. Whereas discrete means where you can measure. Okay. So normally audio is continuous values. Here you can see one example I have given sine wave. So even when we use a microphone to change voice or music to an electric signal, we create continuous signals. Something like this where you can't measure it. Okay. Next we have video. Video refers to the recording or broadcasting of a picture or a movie. Video can either be produced as a continuous entity or it can be combined combination of images. We call it as discrete values. Both is possible. Okay. We can change video to a digital or an analog signal. So how to convert a digital signal to analog signal to a digital to digital, analog to analog. So we have pulse code modulators, delta modulators. So all these videos we will see in the upcoming videos. Okay. So these are all few introductory part I want to tell. So these are the 5 basic characters what I told now, that is text, image, numbers, audio and video. So in the upcoming videos I will tell in depth about I told now RGB model and CMYK model. Also I will explain about what is the discrete and infinite value, that is the continuous values. I will also create few videos on how to convert an analog signal to a digital signal to analog signal, what techniques we are using, and then I will explain about what is pulse code modulator, delta modulator, all those things you will see in the upcoming videos. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Bye.